Well, today is November 1st, 2012. And if you look up that hill, you'll see a line of cars. Why is there a line of cars, you may ask? Because that gas station down there is the only one currently open and with gas. Now we're gonna cross the street here, and this dumb bitch is doing her makeup or something. Yep. And walk up the hill. Yep. There's someone getting in their driveway. All of these cars are just people that have been waiting, some of them probably for hours, to get gas. Like, normally this is just one lane road, one forward, one back. You know, one up and one down. Now there's three. There's the gas lane, the down the hill lane, and the up the hill lane. My guess is this goes all the way down to Franklin Avenue, maybe even beyond. Yeah, I sure wouldn't idle here. You'd go out of gas before you got there.
See how high it goes.
We received our power again at around 1 o'clock in the morning after 2 days of dark, which is nice, having power again.
50.
Hi.
Hello.
How long have you been waiting? How long have you been? Ah, they can't hear me.
Vegas.
Yeah, oh well. Nobody wants to be on YouTube, I guess.
Oh, please tell me that this is going all the way down the hill.
I'm not going all the way down the hill. I don't want to walk back up.
There's no end to this line.
How long have you guys been waiting?
Like an hour.
Yeah, I bet. How much?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half?
Wow.
That's insane. An hour and a half just to get gas.
What?
An hour and a half just to get gas. That's how behind you. You have the right idea. No cars.
Hey man, how far is the gas station?
It's down at the block and then to the right.
That's
You got
the hill.
You got a while to go. Huh?
Some bullshit.
Oh yeah. How long have you been waiting?
About 55 minutes.
How much?
55 minutes.
55 minutes. Hang in there, man. Good luck.
It does. It goes all the way down the hill.
Let's get a little closer, get a better look at it.
A little bit. At least for the church.
Yeah.
I have to take pictures on the way back up. Oh, these people are talking to you.
Yeah. Ooh, something smells bad. I don't know what that was.
The smell of angry people
Nah,
waiting for gas.
it smelled more like dog shit. How's it going?
How you doing?
My God, look at this.
It's cold.
It is a little cold, isn't it? Hurricane Sandy brought destruction, and it also brought cold. Because it was kind of nice out the day before.
Yeah, it blew all the warm weather to the west.
Yep.
They get nice heavy weather there.
Good for them. No, wait, out west they're getting snow. Are you kidding?
Well, not all the way west.
Oh. Well, yeah, like the Midwest, they're getting snow. Alright, it does not go all the way down to Franklin Ave.
No. I think it goes around the block. They turn it.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Then we're gonna have to go there too.
Yeah,
It's... I should have started counting cars.
We'll count them on the way back.
Yeah, on the way back we could do it. Oh, these guys have the same idea we do. How's it going, guys? Hey. More than one videotaper going out here, or whatever you want to call a filmer, or whatever.
Yes, they're going on the block.
Oh my goodness.
I think that's the end of the line coming up though.
It might be.
Yeah, that's the last time. That truck in the end. He's got like 3 hours of wait.
Oh my god. But you know what? The gas stations, they're gonna love this.
Stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Stop what? This is history here. Yep, that's the end of the line right there. But you know what? People will probably be jumping on it. All right.